My people, we don't come back again. No, this na the continuation of the video where I tell you say if you fit watch video for your phone, you go fit read book. Because United Nations dey tell us say if we fit educate ourselves, e go dey easy for we to educate our own children. So now we wan go to the practical aspect of it. I tell you say e get two app wey I go introduce you, and this app na free of charge. Google dey do am. So you go just download the app. Now I go take you go for my inner screen, show you how the app dey, come show you how you go take download the app. Make we start. Okay, my people, this na my phone app. So wetin you go do for your own phone app na to go find playbook. E dey come with phone. Google dey put am free of charge, dey come with phone. So you go find your own. So make we find am for my own now. See am, na this app wey dey write playbook na wetin you need. And so you go find this Google Docs. This one na Google product also, Google Docs. So wetin you go do be say na to go find am for your own. But if you no see any of this, if you no see the playbook or the Google Docs, wetin you go do na to go for Play Store. Go Play Store, go find am, download am. So if you find the Google Docs now, see how we go use get am. Just type docs here. Go come bring out wetin we dey find. When you've typed docs, you find you write search. So you see am here. I don already install my own Google Docs, so na it dey here now. So what you go do na to install your own also. So once you install am now, once you don install am now, you tell me say for the comment section say you don install these two app. Next thing we go do now, for me to first give you the book wey you go take start with. And the book wey you go take start with be say many of us now, we dey encourage many people now to come online so that you go fit show your wetin you dey do. Because the era wey we dey now na the era wey dey call visibility. So the book wey go guide you, give you encourage to come online, and the first book wey I dey introduce give you na that book wey dey call show your work. Na Austin Clarion write this book, and this book don transform my life well well. So I dey share am with you now. So wetin you go do now na to come for your playbook now. When you don DM me, I don send you the book. You come for here, come click the book, click the link. The link go carry you come this side. As the link carry you come here, wetin you go do now na to start to dey read. Now see the book now. The book na show your work. So next thing now you go do now, if you flip and come this side, it go show you this thing. Now see where the magic dey now dey happen now. Because now you no get time to dey read, but you want to dey read. The book now dey tell you say show your work, 10 ways to share your creativity and get discovered by Austin Clarion. That will be the main topic of the book. So what you go do now to click your phone, just one click. You go come see this three dotted line wey come out beside A. Click am. Now, what you go do now, you go see the right read loud. You go click the read loud.
Show your work. 10 ways to share your creativity and get discovered. Austin Kleon. Workman Publishing Company, New York.
Now automatically the book don dey read by itself. Now what you go do na to dey lis ten as you dey watch film, as you go just dey lis ten, dey look how the book dey read itself. If the speed dey too much, you click that third place again. E go also show you how you go take reduce the speed of reading. So if you want to read faster, or if you want begin dey read small small, with time you come increase the speed. Na so you go use take arrange am. But now we go dey read now. E get another thing I wan still show you again. So how you go use work well with the system. So now make we continue dey read.
Show your work. 10 ways to share your creativity and get discovered. Austin Kleon. Workman Publishing
As the
Company,
book
New
dey
York.
read, if you wan move ahead, skip ahead, what you go do be say you come by this side now, click by this side. Now you don carry
Image
you go
description.
that place
Image
now.
description. Creativity.
Yeah.
I think there's an easy way.
Now
Image
see
description.
the book
Creativity
don
is not a
start
talent.
now.
It is a way of operating. John, please, when I have the privilege of talking to my readers, the most common questions they ask me are about self-promotion. How do I get my stuff out there? How do I get noticed? How do I find an audience? How did you do it? I hate talking about self-promotion. Comedians.
Now this book now don talk wetin I like. If they talk something now wey you like now, see what you go do now. Now the book now don talk something now wey I like. It just say, how do I get my stuff out? How do I get my stuff out there? How do I get noticed? How do I find audience? How do I do it? So this now touch me for body, the thing sweet me for body. So now I wan keep this now wey I go fit use talk to people tomorrow. I wan keep am so I go fit use am tomorrow, so I go fit reference on this thing tomorrow. So wetin you go do now? Now I wan comot am for speak loud so I fit do the thing. You go back to that three dots again. You go for the speak loud again. Stop reading loud. You stop. Now as you don stop now, wetin you go do na to click that place wey you like. Hold am. When you hold am now, something go come out. You come draw am to the place wey you want. When you don draw am to the place wey you want, wetin you go come do be say you come write, you come do add note. See, you don write add note. Now you come write how you feel. You go come write how you feel as you dey read am. Me now, I write say I like this thing oo. I just write my own, I like this thing, but na for the teaching purpose. I go still show you my own, the things wey I write, wey I capture. But this one for the teaching purpose, na I write this thing now. So depending on wetin you feel as you dey read am, you write am. As you write am now I wan show you the second magic now. As you write this thing now, automatically now, Google don already save this thing for you. And where the Google save am now, na where they call that Google Docs wey I show you before, say you go download am. So now make we go for our Google Docs. We go see this thing now wey we capture there. Now this na the Google Docs. So make we find show your work. You see am, show your work. Na Google do this thing for you. So now the book we even write when I read the book. I read the book now for November 2024. So you come. So see those things wey me wey touch me for body wey I like. See where I take note of them. And see wetin I write under the thing. And see wetin I write under this one now. Now they say he made his blog everything in his life. So na the way the thing used touch me for body. This one I write documentation 101. So na the things wey I highlight be this. So Google they keep am for one place for you. So that tomorrow if you use am write something, in case you want write something, if you quote person now, say person talk this, go dey easy to reference wetin person talk. So make we go back again now. For this yellow line wey dey see now, make I show you how I use do am. So as you dey read now, any place wey you like, you highlight am again. When you highlight am, as you highlight am, now you come choose any of the colors wey dey up. Na me choose that yellow. So if you choose green, you choose any one. So you come for the order, write, add your notes based on how you feel that moment, because book na something wey we dey read with emotion. You get how they feel as you dey read am. So you come write am, because tomorrow now you fit begin dey feel another kind. So you come add it to relate how you feel that time when you read the book. So that is dey important, say at that moment the way you feel, the way wetin your brain tell you, because our brain dey totori us at times. The way your brain use totori you, na you go use write am, because tomorrow now you go know how you feel, come know the reason why you write am, so you go fit use am tomorrow. So na be the thing. I go carry you go my front camera again, so that I go round up this section. Na so you go take start. Now as you don start now, no say you don look this video now. This video now don long for your eye. Many things now wey I do wey you no understand. Wetin you go do be say I to replay this video. Even though say you never start, make sure say you dey rewatch this video. E get wetin we dey call the subconscious mind. E get the small thing wey dey inside your mind wey dey always trigger. As you watch am now, the thing fit no whether dey trigger you to start, but make sure say you dey watch am. If you don watch am, e come dey one day and the thing go think number start. So you come start. So e good make we start this journey. Start dey read anyhow. Even though say na only one page you read, no be bad thing. You just carry that thing wey you learn there, use teach your pikin. Our goal na make you teach your pikin, make your pikin know something. If your pikin know something, person no go just come tell your pikin na ngba carry this thing go do this one. Your pikin go use you go come reason well before you go do am. Before you go know, you come dey create pikin wey go come dey help the society. As our society dey go well, na so things go come dey better for us. So make we train our pikin the way our pikin go use grow. So when our pikin don old, our pikin no go depart from that way. So this one now na the small one wey the brain dey come give una. So make una DM us, so I go fit give una the main updates. As things dey go, make sure say you follow us, because this thing now na something wey we go dey do continuously, so that we go fit help our people come out from poverty. This one na the little wey we fit do. I no get money to give you, but this small knowledge wey I share, na it go help you to train your pikin well. As you dey do am, I believe say God go bless you. Make you share this video, make people see this video, so that we fit encourage us to do more. So when we dey do more, we fit educate the world. As we educate the world, we fit achieve United Nations SDG go for about to teach people about things, about upgrade education so that life go dey better for us.